Yes.
Becky's!
Whoa, I missed it. No, I missed it. It was very amazing too. Oh my goodness.
That was a big one.
Yeah, you can watch on her video later. Whoa.
When you start hearing the that's when you need to start facing. We got little small ones over there. You can see that the trees are lighting up over there. I don't know why the street is so busy over here by our house. There's like nobody that drives by here.
Yeah, I was surprised that we were gonna get a lot because we live in a little area. Sounds like my guinea pigs.
No.
Sounds like honey, Ma.
I know. These are little cuties.
That's two.
That dropped my fence.
Really?
That metal thing, yeah.
Oh my god.
Not so hard. It's all.
It probably caught in the video because I wasn't actually looking at that. I just had my thing over there. I'll have to check back later when I'm editing this. Hopefully it didn't die down. Oh, I can hear some.
What, 58 minutes?
I'm at 74.
No, 58 minutes left until midnight.
Oh.
We got some way back there going. That's another housing community. Housing track. Becky! Becky!
They're like, yeah.
They're like, yes, ma'am. Becky's!
Amazing.
I got a lot over there. More red lights ones over there.
Really? Woo! That's so cool, I know.
Let's look over that house. That's over there.
You get the little duckies in the background.
Tell me you can celebrate the 4th of July without saying celebrate the 4th of July.
Oh, yes. Whoa. Yeah, definitely. Ooh, that was a long one. Did you see that? It went I like that one. That was amazing. Keep him going.